video conferences with colleagues and clients with Trueconf Server. Having a solid team makes all the difference for business success, but your people can be scattered all over the world. So how can you make sure your team is working well? Virtually. With Trueconf Server software, you can organize video conferences on any type of corporate network or over the internet. Make video calls to colleagues and clients in full HD quality, even when connections aren't stable. Or start a multi-point video conference and discuss important topics simultaneously with several people. Or set up a virtual meeting. You choose who gets to speak and who listens in. Trueconf Server also makes it easy to set up online business seminars, training sessions, and distance learning. Now you don't have to get speakers and employees in the same physical location. Installing and integrating Trueconf on your corporate network will take just minutes. And the system works on all popular platforms with support for third-party hardware. Plus, now you can video conference right in your browser without installing any software. Trueconf Server has a number of other nice additional features which make corporate video conferencing truly efficient and convenient. As you can see, Trueconf technologies make it easy to set up communication within a single office, between regional offices and affiliates, and even around the world. It's time to enjoy the benefits of live communication no matter the distance.